Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a very original and numbers matching 1979 Camaro Z28. Neat car, love the T-tops. Original interior, numbers matching motor.
Super sweet car, doll.
Yeah, I like the white with the orange Z28 decals.
That's a great car. There is one thing, guys, that we got coming for this right away is we got a brand new windshield coming for it. It'll be here in about a week and a half. So that'll get taken care of. Other than that, this one's ready to roll. I just noticed that too, or we would have replaced it before, but had a little chip and just with the heat, it just expanded on us. It's a good looking car, doll.
Yeah, it is. Really original under the hood. It is the numbers matching 354 barrel. Factory air, power steering, power brakes with the front disc. I like this too, even like under the hood light works. It's just
Isn't that cool? And just all original paint under the hood. You just don't find them like this too much, Dalton. As I started to say a little earlier, make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, check out the floors, frame, and trunk. Check out all those pictures because this thing's super clean underneath, which a lot of them have had repair before.
Yep.
You know, and this is a nice one.
The cowl looks nice.
Look at the inner fender paint. 100% original paint on the inner fenders as well.
I think in the door jambs too.
Awesome. This car's had one repaint done years ago and still looks really nice today. You mentioned the air conditioning, Dalton. The previous owner just spent $1,300 on that air, getting it ice cold, probably a new compressor. I don't know what he all did to it, but he spent a lot of money on it.
It's got factory cruise control too. I don't know if it works, but pretty well-optioned car. And it was built in Los Angeles plant, and then we bought it out of Colorado, so it stayed kind of a southwest car.
Nice. That's probably why it's so solid today. We'll go through it, kind of show you. It's an older paint job, but still looks great today. We'll try to do our best out here in this bright sun to point out chips and stuff like that to you guys as well. Gap's really nice here, front to back. Got a nice even gap from front to back there. Back of the hood lines up awesome here in the driver's side. Top of the fender, top of the hood all lines up nice. Power antenna as well. Sorry about the windshield, guys. I would have got it replaced earlier, but it just had a tiny little chip. But through the detail process and why it sat here, look how bad that got. So got a brand new windshield. The price of the car includes a brand new windshield installed on this Z28 here as well. As far as the grill goes, original grill looks really good on the top side. Bottom side, as you can tell right here, it's just raised just a little bit with a small crack on each side. But this is a car you can go to any of your local car shows, be very proud to show it. I mean, it's original interior, and we'll get to that in a little bit. I love T-tops. T-tops make the Trans Am and Camaros as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, it's definitely a nice add.
Driver's side hood fits great. Passenger side has just a little, sticks up just a little bit here, but has just a little play in that hinge is all. Bottom of the front fender, door, all is in excellent shape. We got just a few tiny little rock chips along this back guard here. Car does come with mud flaps as well, some white ones. They look good. I took them off.
They're probably gone now, aren't they?
No, I put them in the trunk. We taped them all in.
Cool.
Yeah. A couple touch-up little paint here, just a little bit along the edge here with the T-tops off. You can see it.
I think original jam paint and rubbers too.
Yeah, it is original rubbers, original jam paint. It says a lot about the car. This one here was we did get it from Colorado, but this was in a very kind of a high-end collection. He had a ton of Camaros and stuff. The previous owner bought it from him, and it was in a long-time collection before he got it. So. Basically, I don't want to say the worst part about it because it's kind of a cool part to have is just the original interior shows a little wear, especially like on the console, the gray and stuff like that has some little checks and some little scratches and stuff on it.
This headliner here needs a little more glue too.
Yeah, the headliner is pretty common. Needs to be re-glued a little bit there. Dome light works. Corner of the doors, all original paint, and that's just awesome to see on these as well. Should probably have some new door rubbers if a guy wants to, but these are original. Top of the back seat's good.
T-top rubbers look good.
They are, and they're nice and pliable. I wouldn't change those because so many times the original ones just fit better, Quarter panel is awesome in behind the wheel there. A couple tiny little chips have been touched up. Back bumper looks good. Taillight lenses look good as well.
Still has your original unleaded fuel-only sticker there.
Nice. Look at that. Trunk light even works. It just says a lot about the car. The trunk jamb was repainted, but the door jambs and under the hood is not. So inside the trunk, look at the floor. The speckling looks great. We got our T-tops in here, and they're all in the correct Body by Fisher covers. Spoiler lines up really good too.
Yeah, you got a little chip there.
Yeah, you got a chip right here by the spoiler. You got a little scratch right here in the back of the spoiler. It's got a few little chips and nicks and stuff, but overall appearance is really good.
Small ding and a little chip that's been touched up.
Okay, a little touched up chip and a very, very small ding right there.
I like the kind of like IROC wheels on it.
Yeah, it's a cool car. And I think you're really gonna like the way it drives too. It's just a good car. You get just a little bit of chip right here. It's been touched up on the, right here, this area. The rear sail, T-top area is in great shape. A few little tiny little chips along the door edge. Again, older paint job, maybe 10, 15, 20 years old, hard to say. Dual exhaust looks really good on it. You can see the tailpipes look nice here. I'll give you just a little look underneath of it. But again, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check it out for yourself. There's your lower fender door, all lines up nice. This is just a good entry-level car. Factory sticker was built in January 1979. And you said this one was numbers matching, huh?
Yep, numbers matching
Nice.
motor. So the check.
Yeah, door rubbers are cheap, guys. It's just one of those things where I thought the next owner, if he wants to do it, but it's only original once, and to have the original ones is nice. Corner of the door is mint. Door panels were all shampooed and stuff. All the gray cloth inserts are in great shape. But you can see the vinyl just along that cord has some nicks in that. Again, all original. Door shut's great. I'll say it again, the car will have a new windshield, comes with it.
Let's throw that, let's drive it.
Yeah, let's do it. Tilt wheel, there's your cruise. It's got a steering wheel wrap cover, but steering wheel looks like it's in good shape. Original door jamb paint all the way in here. Seats are really comfortable too for original.
Yeah, they checked almost every box and they ordered it with the cruise, the power windows, the T-tops, power locks.
Power locks make noise. Does yours do anything?
Yeah, it kind of moves a little bit.
Yeah, kind of moves a little bit. They never freaking work, dude.
Turn the air on, would you?
You think? You think that'd be a good thing to do
105 degrees
today?
today? It's terrible.
With humidity.
Yeah.
Radio works.
Yeah, this what is it? This is a little like what the original MSRP.
Oh wow, $5,600. That's kind of neat, ain't it?
That is neat.
Yeah, factory tack works, gas gauge works, is filled up, volt gauge works. It's got 87,389, I'm guessing, original miles, judging by the interior. Rear view mirrors, original. It's real tight, but it's got a little,
Yeah.
you know, a little age to it.
Overall, that's looks like there's a couple small little cracks, but really,
Basically
pretty
just that
nice.
one.
Yeah.
This thing really has some decent power. I remember when I first drove it, yeah, the 4-barrel kicked in really nice. The kickdown worked on it. Radio works. Horn works, tack works. We'll let you know on this temp gauge, guys, here in just a little bit once we get that. Once that goes up on us. AC seems like it works good, blows nice and cold. Like I said, Dalton, once we get that new windshield in it, it's just a cool car.
Yeah, it is. It's got a great look too. Oh yeah, it runs nice, don't it?
Yeah, kickdown works good.
4 barrels open up.
Aren't you, for 180 horsepower from the factory, it gets with the program.
Yeah, it does.
Here's your brakes. Brakes work awesome. Nice full pedal too. Got really nice stopping power. Speedometer works. Temp gauge is just coming off the 100 right now. AC's blowing nice cold. I wish all 5 of the cars we're doing in the next video had AC, right?
Oh, I know, me too. Power windows work.
That's always the best way to get a little tire squeal on a 79 Camaro.
Yeah.
Whip a cookie.
Yeah, runs nice, huh?
Shift's great. Dude, look how it goes down the road, dude.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Really.
80 mile an hour. Look at that.
That's awesome.
You see what I'm saying, though? It's a damn good car.
Yeah. But we're not gonna be able to hear any of this audio with all the windows.
You know what? Let's roll the windows up. But that was 90 miles an hour, dude. That's how smooth. Oh, we put all new shocks on it, too. I noticed a little roll, you know what I mean, when you're driving it the first time. So I put shocks on the front. It has air shocks in the back. We went ahead and we did those lines. I'm impressed by it.
Yeah, it's a good.
And here's your high-speed braking.
It's a good car.
Temp gauge.
We'll have to, on your way back, check and see if the cruise works.
Yeah, we'll do it. Idle's really good. Go through the gears mechanically, shall we? Then we'll check the cruise. Transmission really seemed like it shifted well.
Yeah.
No one probably heard it because of the wind noise, but nice shift. There's your 4 barrels kicking in, feel them?
Yep. Yeah, car runs awesome. Really
That's
good
70 mile an hour. It is freaking smooth as silk.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
Yeah.
The front end feels awesome.
It's great. See about that cruise. Drive down, it works.
There's no way it's gonna work. By God, it does.
Cruise
Look at
works.
that.
That's awesome. I need to update the description. I didn't know I had factory cruise. So
Yeah, it works.
That's
That's
awesome.
why I said it's a good car. It's an 87,000 mile car that just handles the road really nicely.
Yes.
So
Awesome.
get a new windshield put in it, and it'll be ready to jump in and enjoy for somebody.
Yeah, check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.